When the host app being finally ready for use after starting, you can immediately tell that you are in AYON mode by seeing the AYON menu in the app menu header. If no AYON menu present, it's certain that you are not running the host app via the AYON toolkit, and you have to trigger it via the launcher app as shown before. There are also other ways to launch host apps like via the Frack app. Just beware of not simply running it as you would normally do by the host app icon only. At the top of the AYON menu, there is so-called context you are in, which indicates the asset and its task you are in. This being fundamental when working in AYON toolkit, so keep note of it as we will refer to it quite often. User being able to change the context anytime, so working within single work session on multiple assets and its tasks is perfectly possible, and there is no need to close and re-trigger the host app via launcher app all the time. The most essential item in the AYON menu being work files. Think of it as a regular file menu with file open, save actions. You, as a user, won't use these but work files exclusively instead, and perform these actions within it. When clicking Work Files menu item, you will see a new window with a project context leading you to the current asset and its task. On the very right, there is an area which is basically just a folder on the disk containing work files or scenes in native host's application format. There you can save your work with the help of AYON toolkit, which automatically creates proper naming containing all the necessary info and numbered versioning. There are also few options to customize it, but we won't cover those now. Simply perform Save As to create first work file from your untitled empty scene. You have just successfully created your first work file and are free to create something. Also note that you can perform Ctrl+S key anytime for saving your progress and use Work Files window only when needing separate work file version. Think of it the same as you would normally be saving your progress. Some things could be overwritten, while major changes deserving new incremented work file version. It's also worth mentioning that this area is not shared across the team, but being only kind of workbench of the user, so it can also contain data coming from other sources like downloaded content, etc.